Hi, I'm James, and I'm a solo developer from Australia creating this cute and fun-packed marble game called Mighty Marbles. I started making it because I love these cute physics toys that you used to be able to buy, and I thought that somebody would have made a game like it. And when I had a look, I couldn't find anyone, so I decided to have a go at making it myself. In this game, you don't play as the marble, but you're actually the level. And so your role is to control the level by tilting, twisting, pushing buttons in order to get the marble to the goal. What you're seeing here are two levels from the Marble Machine set of levels. These levels are focused around some sort of mechanical component, and each level contains new ones for you to explore. If this game idea excites you as much as it excites me, I'd love for you to wishlist it on Steam to let me know. It's going into early access soon, and I can't wait to see how people use the physics to finish the levels as quickly as possible.